Erasmus signs where you're undergoing a depression. One, iperoja akwenyon, deg mamje tau ekotanyono jam. Ijai jonendo ja umisho berai leleb akoni like akon ko do mamje tau ekoto anye kine jamu ara no room. Jenijo eute depression anyamari like anyama koni dam mutimot. Di womomoi jo noi di chesani womomoi jo dumunjo geunja imon just jo bon ibori dio tae to moni jo then from nowhere mamje tawe kota inere kedi dio twen if pupi jo bala ilimo kiji dio twen kere ekoni problem ara e burden feeling ay jo bali utaja stressing bo bicheto ikwenengin pero jalo mare situation na ikuriana mera kurie buda mamje kontawe kota anyo ni dio twene ara I hanging out kedi dio friends koto jetao alapa jauti bon ejeni jo ijai jo depression then bobo ijai jo depression dumun jo au misho koni iluzingai jo like a hope la somi boroli lemi koto ja asom ekoni moral and a carry ekoni confidence kere I carry all the time ibala dojo be I do it for what is even the meaning of it, what will I gain, after all life is short from nowhere ngini bore kere tejo in time limits tejo like a main meaning of Borelli los jasom chesani dumun even benting the confanegit like tegiti jo sana kere mamjete kota nyono room then it reaches a time ijai jo room mamjete awe kote light even a kuriana ara lomno kinga even ara lost ne jitunga luipo mamjete awe koto light jai jo kai ogeun jai losing appetite mamje tawe kota ipo arija iyo bon ara mamje tawe kota nyam arija iyo kedichetunga onye pua kajawo misho dairi masija jon ara smoking ai jiboriboro dumun jobe geun jai mata noi ara smoking ada noi arira ije fana le movie dumunji dio scene or movie cat let me say mamje tawe koto in love scenes iwanji dio love scenes kadakini je bale koto je tao tudengori je tv da like ji scenarios mamje tawe kota anyon jeni jo ewote depression na nyamare jo then another thing ira ijo depressed you avoid ikontunga a friends kere like mini bore kere konye anyo no depression like depression angon most times the joke associating akalitunga nara it reaches when the chronic part of depression reaches idumunjo igeunjo our mommy tungalo itwakitos geunja admiring itungalo itwakitos bajo so and so died, has survived a lot of pressure from the world. Idumunji eunja admiring au momara twanengo mambo banga pendora au momi boropai mambo banga like suicidal death thoughts come akoko like losing a will to live. Itejo the igeunja womomo the advantages of mama jauta kwakuna even iperoja limu twanengo da munje lost it ngai monyengo e wiki do pamuro inos ngin twen krabongo o business ke my dear ojeni jo ijaijo o chronic stages of depression geuja aomo mi borolo atwakere admiring itungalu twakitosi how easy life how imagining life like I think it is not worthy anymore en adawe depression anyama jakon akon kokere Then from nowhere ipedor jageo na momo how ikoto ja arai maybe ayara kon kwan even pedor ja na kon kwan deadline leja arai mam jirai prayerful dumun jobe be yara ja kon kwan sometimes being prayerful dumun je pedor last man even I jukake ni joy friends mam jeni arai ngai arai even relatives ni pedora lemon get you out of depression. And then associating kedi tungai ngara kinete jo noi ale mari jo situation ngon la depression narai speaking up sometimes dumun jo someone gets to know what you're going through and sees how to help you out. That is the beauty about speaking up. Arai alimoini twen lo maybe twene kere pour out the pain na mitwen then that person can angarakini jo in one way through spoken words, keeping you around, keeping you company. Then God is good. Most times dumunjo miracles happen, things that you never thought would happen. God works through itunga lumamjo even a vomit be a pedori like pedori that dumune help small and you find yourself repos planning ajo a date lo lo sangai mga kota dolere this dumunju elos days from and you find yourself in your own depression. So sometimes see ipapero are very good. Ainere is very good. Narai a depression a yarekon confidence, a yarekon plans with dreams like you lose the will to work on your dreams, to work on your plans, like all the energy goes, all the energy, all the hope, all the motivation a carry. Those are the dangers of auto depression. Konya another beautiful thing is once you go through a depression, it kini bojambongor to that lowest part of your life. You will release your soul to the point where it takes your up as I really don't need to put too much energy on it. There are things that don't traumatize you anymore, especially if you have ever gone through depression. And then you also get to know the value of life, the meaningful things you need in life. Iborongunbe, people approval, people, what will people think will all disappear. Not all, but somehow, even if it is there tying you down, konye, you'll find you're working your way through. So you end up getting out of a lot of things, out of the experience of depression. Maybe so many times it also comes with its advantages and disadvantages. Konye, you're depressed. It is very good and nerakin kedituen. Even if it's even a stranger, arai paperon lomunjai meeting, narai it can reach a point ni pedori jo even a yara kon kwan unknowingly it pupi jo like down je motivation the will to live. That is the problem kid depression and you can never know, anyone can fall in it slowly in Yamijadam, and it's very dangerous. I've been through it and I wouldn't wish it for anyone.